actually watch this particular video till the end. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam, and as you know, I've been building professional funnels, websites, and landing pages throughout my career. I have built over 400 plus custom design projects as of now on high level, and I wanted to test if I can take my skills, my creativity, my coding knowledge, and my ability to create a strategic landing page for businesses to the high level AI studio. And guess what? That's exactly what I did. And these are the amazing results that I was able to receive. Let me quickly show you this particular amazingly responsive as well as interactive you see on your screen. Let me load this particular page and let me show you how this looks. The moment this reloads, amazing animations unfold and this entire site comes to life, right? When you scroll down, you'll be able to see the glowing, beautiful effects of these kinds of effects, right? This looks pretty good, pretty stunning, and definitely worth a lot more than your current website that you currently have, right? So as you can see, this looks absolutely stunning of how you create stunning websites and landing pages on Go High Level. Do you think it just came out with a simple prompt? The answer is absolutely no. But do you think that it came out with a lot of strategic planning, coding, or design? And the answer is yes, because we have used different types of coding knowledge, design efficiency, as well as interactive ability in order for this site to look what it looks now. It just opens the ability and gives people like us the power to think beyond what used to possible in the Go High Level previous builder. That being said, I still prefer the original Go High Level page builder because that gives my client the manual ability to make changes and things don't get broken. But here, this is going beyond the limits. And I have been posting about this on my Facebook. In case you haven't followed me, search Pritam Bhadra and you will be able to see this particular profile, where today itself I showed as to how amazing this Lockheed virtual landing pad I created. All right, so this is not just desktop mode. This absolutely works on both modes. Let me show you. This is the preview builder. By the way, you must be thinking that this is the same as the site builder. A lot of you have the confusion. Let me tell you one thing, that this is different than the normal page builder. So if I go back, I will be able to go to sites, and when you go to sites, you will be having all kinds of funnels here, and on the top you'll have all kinds of websites here. But this is not where you'll find the AI Studio. All AI Studio landing pages, website, application, dashboards that you're creating will be exclusively available under AI Studio. So it's still in the beta program, but guess what? Soon it's going to be released for everybody, and people will be able to use it even then. So let me click on AI Studio. When you click on AI Studio, then it will show you all your recent projects, right? These are recently viewed projects. You're going to click on My Projects in order to see every single app that you currently own. You can also star some of their projects in case you think they are essential and they can be added here. And then you can go to templates in order for you to use the template prompts that Go High Level already have, right? So this is the Lockheed project that I wanted to show you guys. It came up with a lot of detailing. I have used multiple stack here, right, which has resulted into this kind of page. Now, this is not just on the desktop mode. I'll also show you how it looks on the tablet mode, because we now have the ability to do it just like how HighLevel does. So let me quickly shift from desktop here. Let me quickly change that to now tablet version, and this absolutely looks amazing as well. Nothing has changed. It is absolutely responsive, and the interactive ability remains the same, right? It looks pretty neat, clean, and amazing as well. So this is the entire version of how it looks on the tablet mode. And then let's go to the mobile version here. You'll be able to see how amazing this looks in the mobile as well. Beautiful, affected, and nice landing page created by the HighLevel Studio. All right, this is not just that. Apart from it, I was also able to create animations on the previously created real estate landing page, which I showed you to earlier. So if you see, this was the landing page which I created. Let me quickly show you that. Now let me quickly refresh and show you how this entire looks on this. Beautiful animated effects coming up, very subtle yet beautiful animations. This kind of marquee again looks very, very neat, clean, and premium. I really like these kind of hover effects as well, right? If you scroll down take a look at the property on that they kind of expand, which is also one of my premium feature. Now they can also be controlled with mouse effect. So this is a plus point there. So I really like that as well. Now, flow planning here kind of gives you ability of different tabs so that you can make changes as you how you want. You can even feed it with your reference images, graphics, and how you want it changed, and that's going to be changed as well. And here's some fun facts. All of this is now animated and looks amazing. They also created this particular form where you can put these details form, and guess what, I've already tested this. You can use custom values in order to get it to your CRM and then include in your automations of your emails and your SMS campaigns, right? And these can also be added as notes. All the inputs here I can also be presented into a pipeline. All of this is available, and now I am going to add AI websites and AI landing pages to my tech stack of the services which I offer. So just in case you haven't yet started HighLevel Yet, make sure that you start with my bonus link, because if you go to bonus.pritam.com or just sign up through the affiliate link below, you will be redirected to this particular website where you get a 30-day live free bootcamp along with my bonuses that you are going to get in here, right? So as you can see, all the bonuses, one exclusive call, all my pre-built, custom landing pages, which you can manually edit. You don't have to use AI credits all the time. And all of this is available for you for absolutely free for anybody who signs up under me. And somebody who just came to a consultation call with me asked me, Pritam, can I modify to provide it to my own customers? And I said, yes, legally, as long as you are my affiliate, you can use all my resources in order to grow your business so that you can benefit from HighLevel. Apart from it, if you're already a business owner and you want to hire me and my team in order to create landing pages, website automations based on our 100 plus client experience, then go to pritam.com and you can schedule a free one-on-one private session with me. All right, guys, this is how exactly, right? This is the potential of how we can create custom landing pages, websites in Go HighLevel under a few hours. So just in case you are interested, make sure you click on the links below and then sign up. I'll look forward for your entries. All right, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.